I just made it possible to build a real-time talking AI agent without writing a single line of code. It's called the Grok Voice Agent Builder. You pick a template, choose a voice, give it tools, and in minutes, you have an agent that listens, thinks, and talks back in under a second. It runs on the same Grok voice stack that powers millions of conversations in xAI's apps and in Tesla cars. There's one benchmark number that explains why it feels different, and I'll get to it. First, let's build one on your phone. Let's set the stage. The Grok Voice Agent Builder is a no-code console from xAI for designing voice agents, the kind you can actually talk to, that answer in real time. Under the hood, it's powered by Grok Voice, the same speech-to-speech system that already handles millions of conversations across xAI's apps and Tesla vehicles. So this isn't a toy demo, it's a production voice stack with a friendly front door bolted on. You describe what your agent should do, and it becomes a live callable agent. No infrastructure, no machine learning degree required. Here's the actual flow. You open the Voice Agent Playground in your browser, and you get two paths. Path 1. Start from a pre-built template. There's a whole menu of them for common jobs. Path 2. Hit Create Custom and write your own agent from scratch with a system prompt. Either way, you configure it in a form, not a code base. You set the personality, the instructions, and the tools, then press talk, and it's live. The thing that used to take a team of engineers and a pile of glue code is now a few fields on a screen. The templates are the fastest way in, because they're modeled on real jobs people actually staff. Out of the box, you get a medical office agent, a restaurant host, a help desk, a real estate agent, an appointment booker, and a hotel concierge. Each one comes pre-wired with a sensible personality and the right tools for that role, so you can have a working restaurant host taking reservations in the time it takes to read this sentence, then tweak it to match your business. Now the number I promised. The thing that makes a voice agent feel human or robotic is the pause before it answers. Grok's average time to first audio is under 1 second, roughly 5 times faster than the closest competitor. That sub-second gap is the whole game. Under a second, and it feels like a conversation. A few seconds, and you get that awkward, stilted phone tree feeling everyone hates. Speed here isn't a spec sheet brag. It's the difference between an agent people will actually talk to and one they'll hang up on. It doesn't just answer fast, it sounds right. The builder ships with 7 expressive voices: Ara, Eve, Leo, Sal, Rex, Mika, and Valentin. And they hold up in real conversation, not just scripted lines. They're also tuned to nail domain-specific terminology, so medical, financial, and legal terms come out correctly instead of mangled, and you can direct the performance. Drop cues like whisper, sigh, or laugh right into the prompt, and the voice actually acts them. That's the difference between a text-to-speech readout and something that feels alive. Part of why it feels so natural is how it processes speech. Old voice bots are half-duplex. They listen, then stop and think, then speak, one step at a time, which is why they talk over you and can't handle interruptions. Grok's voice. Think Fast model is full-duplex. It receives speech and produces audio simultaneously, folding recognition, reasoning, and response into a single loop. So you can interrupt it mid-sentence, change your mind, or talk over it, and it just rolls with it, exactly like a real person on the other end of the line. A voice is only half of it. The agent also needs to act. Grok agents can call tools live, mid-conversation. Out of the box, that includes web search for current information, X search to pull real-time posts and sentiment, and collection search across documents you upload. You can also wire in your own custom functions, check inventory, book the table, look up an order. So when a caller asks something the agent doesn't already know, it doesn't guess. It goes and finds out, then answers, without ever dropping the conversation. If you'd rather ship it in code, that door is wide open too. The Grok Voice Agent API is compatible with the OpenAI Realtime API spec, so if you've built against that, you can practically swap the endpoint. And there's an official xAI plugin for LiveKit, the open-source WebRTC platform. Grok supplies the brain. LiveKit carries the audio. A working real-time agent is just a few lines. Set the voice, start the session, and your agent is live in a room taking calls. So how good is it, really? On Big Bench Audio, the leading benchmark for how well a voice agent can actually reason through complex problems, not just transcribe, Grok Voice ranks number 1. Pair that with the sub-second response time and the roughly 5 times speed lead, and you get the rare combination that voice AI has been chasing: fast and smart at the same time. Usually you trade one for the other, here you don't. And the pricing is refreshingly simple. The Voice Agent API is a flat 5 cents per minute of audio, No tangle of per token math for the conversation itself. If you just need transcription, the Grok Speech-to-Text API runs 10 to 20 cents an hour across more than 25 languages for both real-time and batch. 7 voices, 25 plus languages, 1 predictable rate. For a lot of use cases, that's cheap enough to put a voice agent on a phone line you'd never have staffed before. If you want to hear it, the fastest path is just to open the Grok Voice page and start talking. From there, the builder is a few clicks away, and wiring it into your own product is a single API. Try one of the templates first. A couple of minutes with the restaurant host or the help desk will tell you more than any spec sheet. Here's the Grok Voice site and the docs that walk through the voices, the tools, and the deployment options end to end. And XAI says this is just the opening move. Standalone text-to-speech and speech-to-text endpoints are on the way, along with new audio models promising even better pronunciation and even lower latency. The direction is clear. Voice is becoming a first-class way to build with Grok, not an add-on. The builder is the on-ramp for everyone today, and the raw endpoints are coming for the teams that want to go deeper. Either way, it's live right now. That's the Grok Voice Agent Builder, real-time talking agents you can build with no code, deploy with one API, and run for 5 cents a minute. It's live now from XAI. If this was useful, subscribe to Prism Labs for more hands-on AI agent breakdowns. I'll see you in the next one.